Welcome back to another deal video. It's going to be on HomeDepot.com deal of the day for April 8th, 2026. So if you happen to be watching this video after that, unfortunately these deals are no longer in effect and it is on their website only, so don't go in the store for these deals. And I will have some links down in the description below. They are affiliate links and I will make a small commission on them. The best part is that it won't cost you any more money. And also, just so you know too, Home Depot does not let me include all the links to all the deals. So you could click on one of the items and find what you're looking for, and I'll still get credit. And I really do appreciate that support. It does help the channel. All right, to get started here, we're going to begin some DeWalt deals. So they brought back the deal on the 20 volt 6-tool combo kit with that tough system case. That includes the Atomic series of the drill, impact driver, the XR series of the random orbit sander and circular saw. Then there's the one-handed recip saw, and then the grinder. Comes with a 5 amp hour battery and 2 amp hour battery and charger, and that tough system case for $469. It's saving $430. That's 48% off. That is a good deal on it. It's less than $100 a tool. And to get those tools for that price, that's a pretty good deal, especially having that tough system case. Now here's an excellent deal from DeWalt. It's the 5 amp hour and 2 amp hour battery with the charger. It's a 4 amp charger for only $80. That's saving $118. That is 60% off. This is the same battery kit that we saw during the holiday time for $200 where you're getting a free tool. But to pick up this kit for only $80, that's an awesome deal on it. All right, next up is another DeWalt option. It's a 4-tool combo kit that includes the XR series of the impact driver, hammer drill, the oscillating tool, and the recip saw. It also includes 2 4 amp hour batteries and the charger for $351. That's saving $148. That's 30% off. That's another good deal there from DeWalt, especially on the XR tools there. Another great deal is going to be on the XR Power Stack batteries, which is the 3.5 amp hour ones. 2-pack for $149. It's saving $150, which is 50% off. It's a great deal on those batteries. Those are going to be the top of the line batteries right there. And they brought back a deal on the 3-pack of the 5 amp hour M18 Milwaukee batteries for $249, saving $258. That's 51% off. And here's a good deal for the M18 portable inflator. They have that paired with a 5 amp hour battery for only $192. That's saving $176, 8% off. Which I noticed recently, they actually raised the price on the inflator to $199. It used to be $179. So to get it less than the $199 and then having the battery included, that's going to be a good deal. Obviously not as good of a deal compared to the holiday time when they had it for $199 for the 2 5 amp hour batteries and charger, and you get a free tool option, and that the inflator was one of the options. But to see this deal now, it's still considered a good deal in my opinion. All right, next up is the M18 3/8 ratchet kit with 2 batteries, charger, and the carry bag for $180, saving $119. That's saving 40%. They brought back a deal on the whole dozer kit. It's a 17-piece kit for $56. That's saving $63. That's 53% off. These are good drill bits. I have a smaller set of them, and they do work awesome. And they brought back a deal on the one and done kit from Ryobi. It's the 18 volt 12-tool combo kit with a 1.5 amp hour and 2 4 amp hour batteries and a couple bags. This is what I call the one and done kit. It's priced at $584. That's saving $245. That's 30% off. It even includes the miter saw, which is like a $200 saw by itself. The nailer. I mean, it's got all the tools you would do most projects around the house. And they also brought back the deal from Ryobi, the 18 volt of the 2 4 amp hour batteries and a 2 amp hour one and the charger for $127. Saving $234. Now this is, I think, the same kit that they had last year during Ryobi days for the $199, getting the 3 batteries and a free tool. This is a good deal for $127, getting those batteries for that price. And they brought back another deal on the 18 volt Ryobi 7.5 inch fan kit. It is the hybrid series fan, which you can power it by an extension cord or the 18 volt battery. That's $47.98, saving $51. I think this is actually cheaper than we've seen it in the previous weeks where they had it for like $56 or even $60. And they also brought back the deal on the Ryobi 18 volt 2-tool combo kit with the D-handle jigsaw and the circular saw, which is a 5.5 inch one. These are going to be brushed models, just so you're aware. And that's $58 for the 2 tools, which is a great deal on it. It's saving almost $80, 58% off. And they have a Husky Light, a 5,000 lumen one. It's a hybrid power swivel rechargeable spotlight for only $35, saving $20. So this has a built-in rechargeable battery, and you can also power it by 4 AA batteries, which is why they say it's a hybrid. So that's great to have that option to be able to power it by regular batteries. And they have a deal on fastback knives. It's the fastback with the the 6-in-1 folding utility knife that has the screwdriver bit and then the regular blade, one with a serrated blade and a screwdriver for 36 bucks, saving 9, which I noticed recently on the Fastback 6-in-1. They actually raised the price on it to like $22 by itself. So to get the two tools there, I think it's a good deal for 36 bucks. As they say, it's $17.99 per knife. And you can save $5 on the Workskin low profile beanie cap from Milwaukee. It's only $20 there. And they have a 2-pack of the Milwaukee Red Lithium wireless Bluetooth noise canceling earbuds for $279, saving $60. Now take a look at the reviews. I know I mentioned it in the past videos I've done on them. I have good reviews on these, so maybe stay away from them. All right, next up is another Milwaukee option. It's a 3-tool combo kit. So they have the compact series of the hammer drill and impact driver combo with a 5-amp-hour and looks like a 2-amp-hour battery with the charger. And then they have that paired with the inflator for $291, saving $207. That's 42% off. It's a decent deal on that. And they brought back another good deal on the Forge battery, which is the 8-amp-hour one with a 5-amp-hour and then the charger for $240, saving $208. That's 46% off. That is a good deal on that because that Forge battery is a $229 value by itself. And the charger that it comes with is a rapid one. So definitely more valuable versus the regular chargers that they come with. And then they brought back the same deal from Rigid, the 18-volt on the 4-mode half-inch high-torque impact wrench with 2 4-amp-hour batteries, the bag, and then the charger for $199, saving $358, which this one's going to be a good deal because it has the better batteries with it, as well as it is the 4-mode impact wrench, which has 1,300 pounds of bolt breakaway torque. The deal that I showed in the store recently is a different model of the impact wrench that offers only 500 pounds of bolt breakaway torque, which I'll pull that one up here next. That's going to be this one right here, and it has the older version of the 4-amp-hour battery. And again, it's a 500-pound bolt breakaway torque for $129, saving $20 on it. So my opinion would be to go with the better one for the $199 with the 2 better batteries. And you're getting the 4-mode and definitely more capable impact wrench. All right, next up is a good deal from Rigid again. It's going to be on the 2 4-amp-hour batteries starter kit for only $63. They say it's saving $213. That's 77% off. But to get the 2 4-amp-hour batteries, it's going to be a good deal on it. I wouldn't pay the normal retail on that, obviously, at $277. That's kind of a crazy price that they put on them. But for $63, that is a good deal. All right, next up is a M18, the Milwaukee mid-torque impact wrench. It's a 3/8 one with a 5-amp-hour battery for $270. That's saving $218. That's 45% off. And the battery that includes is the oil-resistant one. So it's going to be a little bit more expensive than the regular 5.0 battery. And they brought back another deal on the DeWalt 20-volt 10-tool combo kit with the 2 2-amp-hour batteries and the charger and a couple bags for $639. But just so you're aware, a lot of these tools are going to be brushed models. I think they're better options up above that I showed previously where you're getting actual brushless models. All right, next up, they brought back another deal on the campers kit. It's going to be the clamp fan from Ryobi with the light and Bluetooth speaker, battery, and a charger for only $50. That's saving $83. That's 62% off. And we've seen this deal previously before as well in the Ryobi 18-volt 3-tool lighting kit. It has 3 different lights to it, and that's $74.88, saving $44. And then next up is the brushless recip saw from DeWalt. That includes a 5-amp-hour and 2-amp-hour battery and the charger for $247, saving $181. That's 42% off. Again, during the holiday time, the deal was for $199. You're getting that battery starter kit and a free tool, and I believe that recip saw was one of the free tools. And then next up is a DeWalt 20-volt cordless green crossline laser level kit with a 2-amp-hour battery, charger, and then a hard case with it for $429, saving $110. And a couple other Milwaukee options. On the M18, they have the high torque impact wrench, the 1/2-inch one, with a grease gun and a couple batteries and the bag for $480. That's saving $219. That's 31% off. And I believe they had this deal last week as well on the M12. It's the hammer drill, impact driver, the ratchet, and then the inflator. Looks like it comes with a 5-amp-hour high output battery and a 2.5-amp-hour one for $404. Saving $324. That's 44% off. So basically the way I look at it, it's $100 a tool, which overall is a decent savings right there because I believe an inflator by itself is like around $130. The ratchet is usually above $100, but it's going to be the previous version. They did recently come out with new ratchets. And then the 2-tool combo kit, the hammer drill and impact driver is only around $200 by itself. And that's going to be it for the tools section, but I did want to show one of the cameras that they have here on today's special. And it's going to be on this Defender AI Power Guard Pro 3K dual lens. It's a pan tilt zoom camera. It's only $60. That's saving 60, which is 50% off. This is something you would have to have a power source to. It does not have a solar panel to it, but to get a pan tilt zoom camera, especially in 3K quality video, that's good for under $100. I think that's going to be a good deal on that. Again, you'd have to have an outlet to be able to plug it into. Now, while I'm not familiar with the brand Defender of security lights and cameras, certainly check out the reviews. I checked them out and they seem to be pretty good. And security cameras, but I think it's a good deal there to get it for under $100. And they have other options too, as far as security cameras and lights. And they even have some furniture as well for sale, but I'm not going to cover them in this video. I'm just going to cover the tools. All right, so that's going to be it for this video. And if you enjoy content like this, I would really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more of these deal videos. I do have a goal to get to 50,000 subscribers, and we are just over 4,000 subscribers away from that 50K mark. And when we reach that goal, I'm going to be giving away 5 Icon Meme 2.0 toolkits. So I really do appreciate that support. Consider subscribing. It's free to subscribe anyways. And I really do appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day. Thanks so much.